Well, come on with it, baby. Kick some shit.
You'd rather look good and lose than look bad and win.
You damn right.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Midsole at your beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get into this vid, yo, let me get 500 likes on this joint. Why? Because I'm about to put on the best on foot for these joints on YouTube. You already know. Or
I don't know about that.
Yo, y'all already know the title of this joint, Lebron 7, Red Carpets. I gotta give a shout out first to my man, NES1 for hitting me off with the oop, you know what I'm saying? Gave me the early bird special, you know what I'm saying? Y'all appreciate that. And you also did put me down with some sauce. You threw me down with that damn snapback. I haven't got it yet because that was my bad. I put down the wrong zip code or whatever, so it's kind of like a back, fourth and fourth thing, like a Lear, you know what I'm saying? But whatever, man. But anyway, yo, F all that. We about to get into this vid right now.
Turn up the bass.
All right, yo, hope that worked because I can't do it again. But anyway, yo, I actually got these joints in like about almost a week ago. But I was waiting to get that damn fitted snapback so I could, you know, show y'all the joint. But anyway, let's open this joint up. Oh, snap. Check it out. Like they said, they slated to come the original box. Yo, this joint nice. This is my first pair of LeBron 7s. What put me onto the LeBron 7 or had me even noticing LeBron 7s was the Monday Midsole. I ain't gonna lie. It was something, I was on there and it was something about like the best all-star sneaker. And I think the LeBron 7 All-Star won, I believe. And ever since that, I kept like going back to look at them joints. I kind of want them, but I'm like, they might come back out. But anyway, yo, so yeah, here go the box right here. Bam. They got like little illustrations, you know, saying joints from his hometown and all that. His high school, Akron. Y'all can see. But no, this box is nice though, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. So anyway, yo, bam, LeBron 7, size 10, white, black, glass blue. Y'all niggas know how to read?
I said no, man.
Joint looking nice, right? Turn up the bass. Nah, but hell yeah. So yo, like I said, this is my first LeBron 7, but I did the research, and of course, it's no coincidence that he rocked these joints when he beat my Knicks. It's always a flash sneak comes out that's about beating the Knicks. You know what I'm saying? I figured you just lace up your sneakers and you beat the Knicks, but I still love the Knicks. You know what I'm saying? Just like I love my Yanks. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Game 1 tonight. You know what I'm saying? We beating the Astros. Like whatever. Boom. But yeah, so man, yeah, these joints are nice. So anyway, yeah, this he rocked these joints in 2009. He put up 33 points. I'm thinking 8 rebounds, 9 assists, and 3 steals in a 100-91 victory over my Knicks. Don't like slay me, but they won.
That's just too easy. No. That shit is too easy. Too easy. Too easy.
You know what I'm saying? And these are the red carpets to like, I don't know, to represent,
Shut the fuck up.
commemorate, whatever that. But yeah, so nah, man. Yeah, no, these joints is cool. I like these. Like I said, never had a pair of these joints. Let me know what y'all think. Boom. Never had a pair of these, but when I saw them, I was like, yo, I want these joints. And my born day was like last week, so I was like, you know what? Let me get these. Not really like a gift for myself. I just needed a sneak. But anyway, yo. Off first glance, just like I've been seeing on IG, I'm lace swapping. It will really make these joints pop. I'm gonna tell you some shit that I wish I had right now, because when I do my own foot, I wish I had a black pair of joggers. I had like gave my pair away because them joints was like faded. I don't want to like rock no faded joints on with these joints. But yeah, man, I really like these, man. These are these are dope, man. Word up, hell yeah. But anyway, yo, we'll enough of all that. Let's just get into the review. Take it to the sole. LeBron 7 sole, glass blue and black. In the middle of the sole, you got a hologram, LeBron James, and the Nike Swoosh. It's nice. Now, if you take it to the top of the sole, you see it has 20. I don't know what that means. Nah, I'm just playing. 20 and then 3 of you on the next one. Nah, but it took for a second though. When I did see these joints, like a picture, like 20. I was like, and then I just like, all right, must be the 3. But anyway, yo, we're gonna take it to the medial side. Bam. You see that glass blue air bubble? And the joint is nice, man. Wraps around the whole sneaker. On top of the air bubble on the midsole is predominantly white. Got your white leather upper. It's a nice leather too, man. I ain't even gonna lie. Now going a little higher, you got your, what is this? It's one of them bucks.
Wait, let me go on and dress this real fast, real quick.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, forgive me. Word. But anyway, you got your glass blue Nike Swoosh stitched. You got your glass blue stitch L23, as well as the red stitch crown. And then right here is like some woven material right here. I've never had a pair of sneaks like this before. It's just crazy. Take to the lateral side, similar to the medial side. You got your see-through air bubble. Kind of got that glass blue tint. White midsole right here, followed by the leather. This is some good white leather too. Word. Fuck yeah. Yeah, this is nice. You got that woven material. Got the glass blue swoosh. That's real dope. Start moving around to the heel. You got your L23 badge with the red crown. Now I'm taking to the heel, but I'm gonna show you both heels at the same time. On the back of the one on my right, you got the L. On the left, you got the J.
Sure.
Initials LeBron James, obviously. Word. Now also on the heel, you got that buck, some type of buck.
Bitch ass nigga, why don't you just pull up and keep that same energy, nigga?
Hey, let me know what this is. I have no idea what this is, man. Your guess is probably better than mine, or you probably know better than me. Now, the toe box is white leather. Moving to the laces, you got your black laces. I'm gonna switch them out. Leading all the way up to the tongue is kind of like a mesh, and on the tongue, matter of fact, what does this? I ain't never seen this shit. Let me see.
You can't read?
There's some kind of signature. I do see the 23, and I don't know, it might be LBJ, F all that, my bad. Then you got your glass blue Nike Swoosh stitch. One thing that sets it off in the lace area though is this glass blue, like, I don't know if this, it's not really, I don't think it's like a metal, but whatever it is where the laces go through, it really pops when it gets up there. I like these joints, so I'm glad that I did get a size 10 because these joints look like they, you know, like right there. Word. Let me see. Whew. Hell yeah. Better get high. All right, let me see. Am I gonna pull out the, nah, I'm not going to. All right, anyway, so I'm gonna take it to the insole. If y'all can see, let me lighten it up for y'all. So now the insole is predominantly black.
Roll them up.
L23 in red with the crown and the Nike Swoosh also in red. The inner part of the tongue is glass blue. Damn, yo, let me know what y'all think. I'm hyped, man. I'm definitely gonna spray these joints down. I think I'm gonna rock these. Like I said, what would really bang with these to me is like some, like a black tech suit. You know what I'm saying? Like, word, that would really be dope. But I think I'm gonna end up rocking these my next trip to DR. Tickets booked, you know what I'm saying? Oh, and it's gonna be my longest trip to DR. Or
So what?
let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all gonna pick these joints up. I believe these drop October the 29th, I believe. Yeah, or something like that in like 2 weeks. But man, I just wanted to jump on these joints, man. You know what I'm saying? It's been a minute since well, no, has it been a minute? I don't know. Has it been a minute since I did like an on feet here? No, I had the Knicks joints, but you know what I'm saying? I want to start getting back on the sneaks too. You know what I'm saying? Like it's time. But anyway, yo, my next pickup. Well, nah, I already won them Travis Scotts. I don't give a damn who went first or who did their on foot last. But I'm gonna be top 5 on those as well.
Are you being modest?
You know what I'm saying? Like you already know. But yo, let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all copping these or what?
Well, there is no or what.
I think I put a picture already up about that the Arizona Diamondbacks cap. But yo, again, shout out to NES1, man. Word up, man. Yo, these joints is hard. And like I said, in the front of these joints, you got the 23. Because I remember when I first saw these joints, I was like, 20. It took me like I had like a dumb moment, you know what I'm saying, for like 2 hours. Nah, for like a couple seconds, I was like, oh, 23, get it? 20, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man. So that's it right there. Hey, again, 500 likes on this joint, man. I'm about to do the on foot. You already know the best on foot on YouTube. But man, I do love these. I'm gonna rock these again. I know in the summertime, but I'm definitely rocking these 2 DR. I can't say I'm gonna rock them twice because, you know what I'm saying, in DR, but no, I'm definitely, these are definitely some airport shoes right here, man, word up. And I'm doing that lace swap. Let me know if y'all doing the lace swap. But anyway, yo, shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, man. I appreciate it, man. Everybody that's been commenting, liking, all that shit. Shout out to the Wave Mob, word. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be.
Don't listen to him.
But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this my channel, Mr. What's Your Beach. Go Yankees, you already know. See you when I see you. Ah.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga. You been talking that Versace shit before Versace was dead, my nigga.
King Chip, extra fresh, put that on my mama now. Light skin with the men's chilling right beside of him. Booty California, shout out to my cousin Jonathan. He been in jealous whole life, now he out here trying to win. Yeah, I'm swagging like Deion Sanders. When he had the jury curling all the answers, they gon' talk about the king until the end of time. If I keep breath up in my lungs, and bitch, you know I'm finna grind. King Chip worth more than Wells Fargo. Put the blunt out on the glass in the marble. Here this nigga go, so full of himself. Oh God, give me head, bitch. Blow job better than no job. She love the way I don't care. Wanna get married to me. Watching news in Cleveland, scarier than scary movie. Smoking in my hotel at the Ritz, trying not to ass on tits. However you feel about Chip Show ain't gonna change all this.
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas.
Promise not many niggas living like this. If I was on the toilet, I still wouldn't get two shits. When I spray the tech, all your niggas gon' desert you. Knowing not to fuck with King Chip, it's a virtue. Put up and she got him wearing nothing but a leather coat. Damn, that pussy wet when she got out, had on my leather soap. Don't be chasing women if she wanna go do so.
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up.
I'm the most organic rap nigga in the galaxy. I don't fuck with broke hoes, bitch, that's my policy. We ain't got no blunts, oh fuck it, roll a joint then. King Chip swagging on your daddy and your boyfriend. Offer me the pussy, I ain't about to ask, can I? Living on the road, got my condo in the semi. Who gives a fuck if you Democrat or Repub? Is you ballin' like a king or is you broke as the fuck?
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the
Now let me tell you something, he's the best. Like fuck Cali, that nigga let you know every verse.